Hey, third graders. Today we are going to continue looking at fractions. The task cards that we're going to be looking at today are going to start with us looking at a model of a fraction. And then it's going to have us write that fraction with the numerator and denominator. Then it's going to have us write a fraction in word form and then finally represent that fraction on a number line. So let's start by just looking at the model. Here I have a polygon. I'm going to count the sides to see what type of polygon it is. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have a six-sided shape. We call that a hexagon. And I notice that it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal pieces. So that represents our denominator. The whole hexagon is divided into 6 pieces. Now, out of those 6 pieces, 2 of them are shaded. So that is our numerator. And to write that in word form, we would just write 2. I might put an enter here just so it looks a little neater. 2, 6. Okay. Now here's my number line. Now, if uh, it should be divided from 0 to 1 here into 6, but I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now we're looking at 2, 6. So then I'm going to put my dot on the second one. So this is 0. This would be 1. Here is 2. So that dot right there would represent 2, 6. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at another task card so you guys are really confident with the activity today. So here we have a model. It looks a little different because the whole thing is shaded here. So you can see I've already inputted the numerator and denominator. The numerator or the denominator is the total pieces it's been divided into. So it's been divided into 2 pieces and 2 pieces have been shaded. So we would call this fraction 2 halves. Everyone say that. 2 halves. Very good. All right. So when we write that in word form, we would just say 2 and halves. Here, halves. 2 halves. And then when I put my fraction here, you might want to put it right there, but that would only be 1/2. We want 2 halves. Remember, 2 halves is equivalent to 1. So I'm going to put my dot right there because 1 is equivalent to 2 halves. All right, let's do one more just so you guys are super confident with how to do this today. So again, start by looking at the model. I see that it is another hexagon. It is divided this time into 3 equal parts. So we have a hexagon divided into 3 pieces. And out of those pieces, one of them is shaded yellow. So we would say that this fraction is 1/3. 1/3. So representing that now on the number line, this would be 0/3. Here we would be 1/3. 2/3 would be right here, and 3/3 would be 1. So I want 1/3, so I'm going to bring my dot over to where I said 1/3, right here. Okay. All right. I hope you guys are understanding fractions and how to represent them in word form and in on a number line. And let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.